get you in a sec, okay? Alright. This guy? Hey, she's...
Hey!
No!
911 emergency.
Hi, I'm currently getting followed, and I'm gonna drive to the police station.
Okay, how far away are you?
I'm like 3 minutes away. I'm on the Habra Boulevard near Wingstop.
Okay, what kind of car is following you?
It's a Toyota, an older Toyota. It's all black.
Do you have a license plate number?
I can't see it. They're like tailgating me.
Okay, was there some type of road rage incident, or what happened?
I don't know. Like, they've been following me since the freeway. I don't know if I cut them off or anything. I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they've been following me since the freeway.
Okay.
And every turn I do, they follow me.
Okay, have they done anything to you or said anything to you?
No.
And it's an older model black Toyota. Is it a truck or sedan?
It's a sedan. And it's
Male or female driver?
It's a male.
Anybody else in there with him?
No.
All right. Have you approached the Habra Boulevard yet? Well, you hit Cypress before Euclid. I'm sorry.
I'm on Cypress right now.
Okay. And he's still behind you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been making turns, and he's been following me. Every time I switch a lane, he follows me.
Okay, that's fine. But he hasn't said anything or tried to hit your car or anything like that, correct?
No, he's just been tailgating me.
What kind of car are you in?
I'm in the Volkswagen, a blue one, a Passat.
A Passat?
Yeah. I've never been to the police station. Do I just go to the front on Euclid?
Yeah, just pull right in front of the station. So on Euclid, you'll make a right and then just pull over where you see the doors. Hopefully, he'll just continue on.
Okay.
Are you there? Are you here already?
Yeah. I'm outside.
Okay.
He's still behind me.
Okay. Did he pull over?
Oh, my God. Yeah.
Ma'am. Okay. What is he doing?
Oh. He's reversing.
Okay. Is he
and parking.
Reversing and parking?
I have my headlights on.
Okay. Hold on 1 second.
Can anyone come outside? Like, I'm really scared.
I'm calling someone right now. I'll just keep you on the line, okay?
What's going on? Hi.
How's it going?
Good. What's going on here?
I'm just seeing somebody right now.
Okay, are you associated with these cars?
No.
Okay, alright.
Yeah.
Well, they'll get you in a sec, okay? Alright. This guy? Hey, she's...
Hey!
No!
Where you hit?
On the chest. No!
Drop the gun now! Suspect, drop the gun! Suspect, drop the gun or I'll shoot you again! Drop the gun or I will shoot you again! Drop the gun! Suspect, drop the gun! The gun's facing into the PD. Anybody standing inside this lobby, be careful. Hey, he's right here. He's got a gun in his hand. He's still moving. Get him out of here.
You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Where you shot at? Where you shot at? Where you shot at? Where you shot at? Where's you shot at?
We got more officers.
Where's you shot at? Hey, Millward. Millward, where you shot at?
Hey,
What?
she's okay. She's okay. She's our
Hey,
caller.
get him out of
She's
here.
our caller.
Where's he shot at? Where's he
He's
shot?
in the chest.
Where?
He said in the chest.
You're good. You're good. You're good.
Hey, he's still got the gun. I can't
Relax,
look.
relax, relax, relax. Relax. Hey, get him. Let's get him out. Get him out. Help me drag him out. Hey, you two drag him out.